So, you're here for the job. Well, welcome to Flugzeug's Mad Science Lab. Do you have any experience with karyotyping? No? Well, let me just show you something and then let's see how you do. First, we're going to draw a karyotype on the board. If you pick this up real quick, you'll get the job. This is a karyotype. A karyotype is a picture of a genome, which is the entire set of DNA. Of your DNA, sorry. You specifically. It's a picture of your genes. Not these kind of genes, but the genes that influence your physical traits. Those were in the laundry, I have shorts. There are 46 chromosomes, and they are in 23 pairs. One of them is donated by the mother and the other by the father. Your job as a Mad Lab assistant is to analyze these chromosomes by noting their number and appearance. The importance of karyotyping is to find abnormalities in the number of chromosomes or the appearance of the chromosomes. For example, if they're missing any information, which can cause diseases. Let's just say that you got your biological substance, and your karyotype comes back, and you're analyzing it for abnormalities. And what's this? 21 looks suspicious. What is suspicious about it? It's got 3 chromosomes. Remember, it's only supposed to have 2, like all the other ones. Ignore this and this. It has 3 chromosomes. This is called a trisomy. When this happens specifically in chromosome number 21, it's usually a sign of Down syndrome, which can lead to different development concerns. The X chromosome with the X chromosome is a girl, and the X and Y chromosomes equals a male. The Y chromosome is smaller. Okay, you got all that? Okay, come here. Okay, I might have to spray you with this shrinking spray because I have to put you in this box since I don't have any offices. Do you fit in here? Or do you need another spray?